Hello there, folks. Today, we're exploring the fascinating history, present, and future of artificial intelligence. Let's jump in. In 1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. He imagined a computer program that could reason, solve problems, understand human language, and learn from experience. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated Gary Kasparov at chess. This marked the beginning of AI's dominance over human intelligence. AI has made significant strides since its inception. It's now a part of our everyday lives, from sear to self-driving cars. However, concerns about AI's potential negative effects on jobs and society have also emerged. Future predictions suggest AI may one day outsmart humans in every cognitive domain. This raises questions about its impact on humanity's existence and what role humans will play in an AI-dominated future. That's all for today. I hope you found this history of artificial intelligence interesting. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more captivating content. Thanks for tuning in.